Hello students, I hope all are fine and are doing your studies properly. Okay, so let's start today with a new topic, connective tissue. So let's study in detail about connective tissue. Connective tissue. What is called connective tissue? Connective tissue developed from the mesoderm and is distributed in the body. So there are three main classes of, namely loose connective tissue, tense connective tissue and specialized connective tissue. The major functions of connective tissue: binding, support, projection, insulation and transpiration. Components of connective tissue. All connective tissues consist of three main components: fibers, ground substance and cells. The fibers of connective tissue provide support. The three types of fibers are found in connective tissue matrix. So they are collagen, elastic and reticular fibers. So what are they? Collagen, elastic and reticular. Then connective tissues are the three types of, namely loose connective and the areolar, adipose and reticular, and dense connective tissue, dense regular and dense irregular and elastic, and specialized connective tissue, cartilage, bone and blood. This is very important for components of connective tissue. So the connective tissue types, the first one, the connective tissues proper and skeletal tissue, vascular tissues and cartilage. The skeletal tissues is cartilage and bone, comfort bone and spongiform, and vascular tissues and blood, lymph. Then the fibrous is white and the elastic. So the connective tissue proper is areolar, adipose and white fibers. These are all in connective tissue types. And the connective tissue proper, that is the fibers and fibroblasts are compactly packed in the dense connective tissues. That is, the orientation of the fibers show a regular or irregular pattern and it is called tense regular and tense irregular tissues. The tense regular connective tissues, primarily the collagen fibers, row and between many parallel bundles, and the major cell type is fibroblast and the tendons, and irregular connective tissues, fibroblast and the elastic connective tissue. Elastic connective tissues contain the high proportion of elastic fibers. It allows recoil the tissue following structuring. It maintains the pulsatile flow of blood through the arteries and passive recoil lungs following inspiration. So they are found in the walls of large arteries, ligaments associated with vertebral column and within the walls of branchial tube. Then specialized connective tissues, cartilage, and the cells of tissue, chondrocysts, enclosed in small cavities within the matrix secreted by them. So most of the cartilages in vertebrate embryos are replaced by bones in adult. And the cartilage is present in the nose and outer air joints and the air pinna between adjacent bones of the vertebral column, limbs and hands in adult. So bone important point. They have a hard and non-palpable ground substance rich in calcium salt and collagen fibers which gives strength to the bones. So the main tissue that provide a structural frame to the body. So bones support and protect softer tissues and organs. And bone cells, osteocysts, are present in the space is called lacunae. Cartilage, elastic. So this picture is very important. So the photo is microscopic. So the elastic cartilage from the human ear pinna. So the description, similarly to hyaline cartilage but more elastic fibers in matrix. So the function, maintain the shape of your structure while allowing great flexibility. So location, they support the external ear, pinna and epiclates. And look at the picture. So the chondrocytes in Leucine, then the elastic fibers, second one. This is important. Loose connective tissue. This picture is very important. Look at carefully. In this tissue, the cells and fibers are loosely arranged in the semi-fluid ground substance. For example, areolar connective tissue and the beneath the skin acts as a support framework for epithelium and acts as reservoir of water and salt for the surrounding body tissues. Hence the ability called tissue fluid. And adipose tissue, in similar to areolar tissue, structure and function located in beneath the skin. And adipocytes, commonly called adipose or fat cells. And the 90% of this tissue is mass. And next, the white fat. The adipose tissue is called white fat or white adipose tissue. Next, the brown fat. What is brown fat? The adipose tissue contain abundant mitochondria is called brown fat or brown adipose tissue. And next, the shivering thermogenesis, that is the brown fat produces heat by non-shivering thermogenesis in neonates. And reticular connective tissue, the areolar connective tissue, but the matrix is filled with fibroblast is called reticular, that is called stroma. And the supports the blood cells, largely lymphocytes in the lymph nodes and spleen and bone marrow. This is very important. This picture, microscopic picture. So the first, the white blood cells, lymphocytes, then reticular cells, reticular fibers. That is important. So the description, network of reticular fibers in the typical loose ground substance. So the cells in the network. Functions, I am already tell. So the fibers for your, so the location, lymphoid organs in lymph nodes and bone marrow and spleen. That is spleen picture. This picture is very important. So the four type of tissue. So the first, the nervous tissue. So the first, the brain, spinal cord and the nervous. Second, the epithelial tissue. And the third one, muscle tissue, that is cardiac muscle, smooth muscle, skeleton. And the finally connective tissue. Now today the connective tissue learn. And the bone, tendon, and these are all important for this picture. Very important. This picture is very clearly observed. So this picture is important for this connective tissue types. So the first, loose connective tissue and adipose tissue, tendon. Already I said that the loose connective tissue, but now the loose connective tissue picture. So first loose connective picture and second nearby the microscopic picture. So compare the picture, very clear. Okay. So the first loose connective tissue, the location, they already said. So you recall the beneath the dermis of the skin, digestive tract, respiratory and urinary tract, and between muscles, around the blood vessels, nervous and around joints. Then functions, cations, organs provide support but permits independence, and the phagocytic cells provide the against pathogens. This is important point. And the adipose tissue, the locations deep to the skin, especially oocytes, piquets and the breast, and padding around eyes and kidneys. And the functions, provide the padding and cations shock and the reduces heat loss. And the third one, connective tissues, the location, the skeletal muscle. And the function, the muscle reduces between the muscle stabilizes and the relative positions. These are all important points for the connective tissue types. Types of connective tissue, already I said some key points. Easily you carry the points. Okay. So connective tissue proper, loose connective proper. So the support structure cells around areolar, adipose, reticular. And the dense connective tissue highly fibrous, collagen. And the specialized connective tissue cartilage and bone, blood. So the cartilage hyaluronate and the bone compact and the blood is ABO blood group, and the blood contains the components. Just recall the key points. Okay. Dense connective tissue irregular. This is found in terminus organ capsules. The form tough capsules of joints, and the collagen fibers thicker bones than those dense regular connective tissue, and sheets of collagen run stalked in different directions. This is important for dark letters. The sheet of collagen run or stalked in different directions. And the last one, single sheet that can withstand force from many different directions. This is important point for fourth one. This is single sheet that can withstand force from many different directions. Then picture the collagen fibers and the fibrosis. These are all important for this dense connective tissues. Connective tissues, there are 5 types of white blood cells, that is WBC. First, the macrophages, that is big eaters. Understand the words, big eaters, that swallow and destroy invaders or debris. They can be fixed or wandering. The neutrophils are the macrophages. They are small eaters that are numerous in the blood. And the most cells in eosinophils play an important role in inflammation. And the lymphocytes secrete important point for antibody protein and attack invaders. That is, lymphocytes secrete antibody proteins. The elastic connective tissue. This is important key points only. Okay. So the found in areas the body require stretching. So the stomach, large airways of artery walls, bladder, between the vertebrae, and the beneath transitional epithelium in urinary tract, and high concentration of elastic fibers, more than collagen, and the extremely flexible. So the picture is very carefully you look at. So that this picture elastic connective tissue. Bone, I am already said. So some important key points. Okay. So bone have hard and non-palpable ground substance and rich in calcium, salt, and collagen fibers. And the next one, the bone cells are present in the space is called lacunae. So this is important points for last point. The bone cells are present in the space is called lacunae. Blood and its components. This is specialized connective tissues. The cartilage, bone, blood. Okay. So the cells 45%, plasma 55%, serum plasma fibrinogen. This is important. Next, the red blood cell. Look at the picture. So red blood cells RBC and white blood cells WBC, and the third one platelets and fourth one plasma. This picture is blood component. ABO blood type. This is A and AB and O. So there is other important. It is function as the transport medium for the cardiovascular system, carrying nutrients, waste, respiratory gases throughout the body. Very, very important points for blood function. Specialized connective tissue, that is cartilage. So the important key points for the dark black letters. Okay. So you look carefully, watch it. So the specialized connective tissue may be called crystal. and the more rigid than dense connective tissue, more flexible than bone, and that prevents the bone from rubbing against each other, and that does not contain nerves or blood vessels, and the cells are chondrocysts. Already I told. Then the withstand compressions, then Lochner, and the three type of cartilage: hyaline, anelastic, and fibrocartilage. These are all important for this. Key points for specialized connective tissue in cartilage. Okay students, today you learn connective tissues and connective tissues types and different characters, functions, and the varieties of connective tissues. Okay, now homework. Make 15 short question answer. Okay students.